Good morning, Levi! It is Thursday. This is a follow-up video to a video I did last Thursday. I know I said in that video, oh, if you all are interested, maybe I'll do another video. Most of you guys weren't interested, but I'm gonna make this video anyway because I want to, and it's my channel, so I get to do what I want. Unless Levi begs me not to do it, I'm gonna do this video. So today, I'm gonna be talking about the PowerPoint game that I have recently made. In school, I started in September working on this project. It is 281 slides long, which is it's like half as long as my biggest one. No, it's more than that. My largest PowerPoint game was 440 slides. So this is, it's getting there. It's not where that one is, but there's a lot in this, and I kind of want to work on it throughout the entire year and make it huge. This is pretty big, but I want to make it huge. So let's just hop in and I'm going to show you what this is all about. So this is a mix of a bunch of different ideas that I've had throughout the years. I did a bunch of slideshows with a friend in junior high that were fake YouTube videos that were making fun of YouTube videos, and so this is kind of a riff on that, but this is also a continuation of my PowerPoint games where, you'd have buttons and stuff and you go around. So I'm just going to kind of give you a tour of the house tour video game that I've created. This is just boring stuff that you'll read if you actually play it. But basically how this works, it's just like the other one I showed in a video recently. If you're interested, you can go look on our channel. It's 4 videos ago. The red arrows are clickable in this game, as well as some certain things. You'll see my hand is showing up right here as I'm glossing over the door. If I click on it, things change. It's like I'm interacting with it. If you don't see that hand in this slideshow, that means you shouldn't click on it. In PowerPoint, you have the ability to turn off clicking to advance slides. Right now, you don't have that. So I just clicked on nothing, and it just took me to the next slide, which can throw things really off count. If I'm just sitting here and I click on nothing, it's going to take me to a random room, because these are in a specific order, but they're not supposed to be experienced in a specific order. So keep that in mind while you're playing. But as you click on the stuff with the hands, you'll see we go throughout this house, and it delivers on the promise of being a house tour, I promise. There's a whole bunch of fun stuff to figure out. Multiple floors on those floors. This came from 2 different things. Once like I was saying, I did that, those slideshows where I made fun of YouTube videos, which maybe one day I'll show off. But on those, I made a joke that I was going to make a house tour video, and that was 4 years ago. And then recently one of my friends was like, hey, when are you going to do that? So I decided I might as well. But it also comes from every dream I've ever had, which is always takes place in a building that is incomprehensibly large. Well, when it takes place in a building, I sometimes have dreams that aren't in a building. Dizzyingly large buildings that have infinite rooms, and it folds in on itself, and it doesn't make physical sense. And those have always stuck with me because I found those really interesting. So I kind of made this house to kind of be an expression of that weird sensation I would get when I would think about my dreams. It's oh, this house is insanely large and it shouldn't be this big, and no real human could have made this. I just thought I would show off this little project that I'm working on and announce that the beta for it is available in the link in the description. So if you want to check it out, all you gotta do is click on that link. It should allow you to take you over there. I'm just keeping it on viewers only for now, but if you want to check it out, go ahead. I'm gonna be hopefully adding stuff throughout the rest of the year to make a final version, and that'll be a long ways off. But if you are interested and want to check it out, go ahead. Otherwise, Levi, I will see you soon, eventually.